good to me.
Alright, 2 connectors for the throttle body. Red plug, smaller one, is on the lower. The gray plug is up on top. Had to unhook all the tubing to get this out, and I did break the connector on that. Between you and me. Pulled out some kind of tool out of my air intake. Always nice to see. Never good. Funny thing is, you're pretty much down to replacing timing belt when you have to replace the water pump. Gotta love it. Oh, and the screws are for the casing are smaller than 10 millimeters.